We're here at 1380 80th Street South in St. Pete. This is a sewer inspection. I'm out about 45 feet into the cast iron here. You can see where that line is pretty good and scaled up here. As somebody poured some leveling cement or some grout into this line. Evidence of that on the sides of the pipe. If you look at the upper right hand corner of the screen or the bottom left hand corner, you can see where those have piled up. As we come backward, get into PVC under the house. It's not terrible, but there's definitely evidence of it as we get closer back to the closet flange. Right here we're jumping up. Still everything looks pretty smooth right here. Good to see no cracks, no breaks, no root intrusions under the house. You definitely see the discoloration in the pipe where the stuff has been run through. About halfway up the line. Right here you can see the last little bit of it. Upper right hand corner of the screen again, that's all the grout or self-leveling cement. And as we come up out of the flange, you can see it down all around the bottom of it and inside the closet flange itself.